Hi, I'm Lisa from Crewbooking. In this video, I will show you how to publish a mission. Missions are the fastest way to find crew members. First, make sure you're logged in to your company account. Then, from the Posts section, click on Post a Mission, or on the plus icon, and then Mission. Start by giving your new mission a title and a job description. Then set the dates and shifts. Click once to select the starting date and click again to select the ending date. Then define the starting and ending time. You can also just select all day. Note that this is a global configuration for all days. You can modify the shifts day by day afterward. Here, for example, we will change the time for the last day. You can see there that it only applies for that day. You will then have to specify a location for the job. Let's put Paris, for example. After that, you will need to identify your target audience. That will define which Crewbooking members will receive a notification for your mission. It is possible to directly select one or several of your predefined shortlists. You can see how to create shortlists in another video. It is also possible to define your target following various criteria such as role or skills, language, country, or sector of work. For instance, we can decide to target only French speakers. Your criterion appears here. And you can still add more. For example, let's add a role. Following the criteria selection, you will find the potential size of your target audience here below. If the sample is not large enough, you can enlarge it by extending the target distance. But note that the number of crew members notified will be limited to the closest 300. No need then to widen the audience more than necessary. Finally, note that by default, your mission will be publicly visible on Crewbooking, so technicians outside of your target audience can still apply. It is possible, however, to make your mission private and only visible to the targeted audience by clicking on Make Private. Once you finish filling out your mission, all you have to do is click Publish and you're done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to watch our other videos for more tips on how to use Crewbooking.